Hi, I'm Jeff with Pinellas Ponds and Waterfalls. I'm down in Largo, Florida, and we just wrapped up an 8x11 pond. And this waterfall and pond turned out really great. It's such a great entryway to their home. As you walk up the sidewalk, you're welcome to a beautiful 8x11 ecosystem pond. It has an energy efficient pump, LED lighting, it has a skimmer box, it has an automatic fill valve, a biofalls, and once this whole area gets landscaped and they get fish in here, this pond is really gonna pop. The sound of this waterfall from inside their house and on their patio here just sounds wonderful. We even installed some aromatic cedar driftwood. Got a spitting frog. This whole area is going to be completely landscaped, and then what we also did is we brought in some decent sized boulders and just built up the berm. It's got some tropical water lilies in there just getting ready to bloom. So if you're interested in a water feature, please don't hesitate to give us a call.